Hi everyone, this is Jyoti Beanwal and welcome to my channel where I put all the information about studying MBBS abroad. So basically what I want to tell you today is that as you know कि Corona की वजह से we can't have seminars which we used to have earlier in different cities of India. जैसे कि हम लोग पटना में सेमिनार करते थे, जयपुर, कोटा, what where not like Ranchi, Raipur, Indore, Bhopal, sometimes even southern India like Kerala also, Bangalore, so many of cities. But due to traveling issues and due to not letting the gatherings in a certain place of a number of people, हमें बहुत कुछ टेक्निकलिटी के अंडर करना पड़ा है अंडर द टेक्नोलॉजी. So I just want to tell you guys that we will be conducting seminars through Zoom. It's easier and it's convenient for all of you to attend them. ठीक है, और ये बहुत सीरियस सेमिनार्स होने वाले हैं अभी, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट कि यू शुड हैव ऑल द पर्टिकुलर नॉलेज अबाउट थिंग्स. सो येस, the similar way I used to present in the seminars that I used to conduct in these cities, I'll do the same on the webinar as well. So you should attend this webinar to have the proper information about the countries. In this webinar I'm not gonna like मैं बहुत लंबा webinar नहीं चाहती हूँ, so I'm gonna have covered the 3 countries, Ukraine, Philippines and Belarus, as I have already told you. So what will happen is आपको, you guys, like let me just say it in English because many of you complain about that. So you have to do is you have to download Zoom app on your phone. If you are doing that, if you're going to do it from your laptop or computer, you don't have to download the app, but you might have to download some package for it to install on your system. Once you do that, you can also use your browser on the laptop. Okay, so once you do, it's zoom.us, the URL for that. You can also download the app on your mobile. That's easier, convenient for you. You can just plug your earphones and you can listen to all the whatever I'm saying in the webinar. So there's a webinar ID and a webinar password which you have to put to register. Now you should register as soon as possible. 100 attendees will be able to appear at the same time, like 100 of them can participate. Till for now it is 100 is the limit, but we may exceed in the future. So I want those who are really serious, those who have real questions about studying MBBS abroad, those who are confused between Ukraine, Belarus, Philippines, or Ukraine, Belarus, or don't know which university to go in Ukraine, have specific questions about it. So you should attend this webinar because I'm going to answer each one of you. And then we can also have, later on we can have personal video call webinar as well, because now the time has come, like August, many of the universities deadline is August. So if we will delay further, the chances of having issues in admission process are there. So we will cover in this webinar, we'll cover these 3 countries and we will talk about them. We'll have discussion about the countries, then which are the good universities in these countries, what is the admission process of these countries, the education system of these countries, and at the end we'll have an analysis, comparative analysis, like which university has what features and how beneficial is which countries, how which country is beneficial to you in what manner. So basically it will be really good webinar, I can assure you this thing, and I will try to keep it just in 1 hour. We'll compile it all. So download the app, register yourself, we will have your details, we'll know that you're gonna attend, and we will call back you, we'll remind you also at the time of the webinar. So if not seminar, then no problem, we have webinars, let's do it, and let's share the information. Come up with the questions that you think that are very crucial for you, and I'll answer, and we all will know about it. And it's just me in this webinar, so It's just like a real seminar. I would like to conduct it just like a real seminar. So I would really seek that you will register. Also I'm giving a link in the description so that अगर आपको जल्द से जल्द रजिस्टर करना है तो आप जैसे उस क्लिक करिए, अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन भरिए एंड द कन्फर्मेशन मेल विल कम टू यू. So do that right now, and thank you so much for such a nice response for the last video, why not Philippines, because actually it was a very random idea. It came to my mind and I posted a video, and many of you students called me and told me that it cleared their doubt. So that's what my channel is all about, to clear your doubts. So go ahead and register yourself. See you on the Saturday on the webinar. Thank you so much.